Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the AEG DEX33111 integrated oven. What I wanted today is to show you around the oven, some of the features and benefits that it offers. Just before I start, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, just give us a quick thumbs up. I'll just show you inside the main oven first. Capacity on this is 66 litres, so it is quite a generous size capacity for a double oven, main oven. As far as the racks in here, so you do get two shelves in here, and also you get the grill pan as well. I'll just show you that. So all of these are compatible in the top oven as well, so if you wanted to put them in there then you can do, if you wanted to chop and change between the two. As far as the dimensions on the shelf, this is something we get asked quite a lot, is 42 centimetres wide, around 16.5 inches, and the overall depth is 14 inches or around 35.5 centimetres deep. When it comes to cleaning and maintenance, you have got the option to take these supports out on the side and just either wash them in hot soapy water or just pop them in the dishwasher on the odd occasion. Also, you can take the glass out of the door here. So on the inside, if you wanted to take it out, all you need to do is just press either side here of this plastic part. So let's just do that. So press that and take that cover off. And then all you need to do is to lift the glass out. Be really careful because this will swing back up at you and you don't want to damage anything. And then when it comes to putting it back in, all you need to do is just locate it back at the bottom here and then put this plastic cover back on at the top. There we go. As far as the top oven, on this one, this has a 42 litre capacity. Obviously it is smaller than the main oven below. With this one, again, the size of the rack are identical to the one in the main oven. And as I just mentioned, you can move the shelves around if you wanted to. Also, you can take the supports out at the side, and the same as a bottom oven, you can take the glass out when it comes to cleaning. On this model, you've got an LED display in the middle here. Unfortunately, I haven't got it connected, so I can't show you the display. But this is where you would set things like some of the timer functions, and also you've got the clock as well. On the left hand side here, this is for the top oven, and I'll just show you the different functions it offers, just to show you that you have got the pop in, pop out controls. Now this is something that I like. It just keeps it nice and flush when you're not using it, and then you just press the button in and then you can rotate it, put my teeth back in, depending on what function or temperature you want. As you can see, this goes from 50 degrees all the way up to 275 degrees centigrade. So it's very, very hot, this one gets up to. Not many ovens get up to that kind of temperature. Also, the temperature down at the bottom, where 50 degrees, would be really good for things like proving bread, or if you just wanted to slow cook something for quite a long time, if you're cooking at that temperature. So as far as the main controls for the top oven, first of all, you've got the lamp illumination. So some of you are thinking, well, why do you just want a light? When it comes to cleaning the oven, there's nothing more frustrating than not having a light in there to see where you've cleaned. So I'm glad that AEG have thought about that, and they've given us the option to just have a light on, I suppose mainly for cleaning purposes. The next one, so with this is for the conventional baking, and this is ideal for baking and roasting on one shelf position. The next one is the top heat. So this is ideal to brown bread, cakes and pastries, and then to finish cooked dishes. The next one is the bottom heat, and this is ideal to bake cakes with crispy bottom and to preserve food. Next one is the grill, and this is ideal to grill thin pieces of food and to toast bread. And the next one is the fast grilling, so this is ideal to grill thin pieces of food in large quantities and to toast your bread. So I suppose if you had quite a lot to do, so if you were doing a full English breakfast for several of you, then the fast grill would really be the one to go for. And then to turn it off, all you need to do is just select the top option and then just pop it in. Then on the right hand side, this is where you've got the option for the main bottom oven. And temperature wise, it goes the same as the top oven, so from 50 degrees centigrade all the way up to 275 degrees centigrade. As far as the oven controls, again, you've got the lamp illumination just to light up the main oven. The next option is AEG called True Fan Cooking, and this is ideal to roast meat and bake cakes. What you do is you set a lower temperature than a conventional cooking oven, and what it would do, the fan would distribute heat evenly in the oven interior. Then the final option here is a defrost. What it will do is it will just defrost the food, things like vegetables or fruit, and the defrosting time depends on the amount and the size of the frozen food. Just show you the energy labels on the integrated oven, and I mentioned labels rather than label, as in a lot of appliances. So if you've got something like a washing machine or tumble dryer, then you'll notice that it's only got one energy label, whereas on an integrated oven like this, where it's a double oven, they're actually rated separately, so each oven is rated independently of each other. So this is the main oven at 66 litre capacity at the bottom. It's just showing that it's an A energy rating. And also the top oven, so 42 litre capacity, and again it's an A energy rating. If you're thinking of purchasing one of these ovens, I have provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on the AEG DEX33111 integrated double oven. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe, leave any comments below. Do always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad about the video. I know I've not given you a demonstration or even had it connected to show you the display, but I just wanted to give you an overall view of the oven and some of the features and benefits that it offers. If you have got one of these, or if you've got a model similar to this from the AEG oven range, let me know what you think about it, because I'd always appreciate the honest feedback. Thanks for joining me today.